So this is a continuation of the EAP-TLS method. There's a specific edge case where let's say the identity of the user is not being found or is not recorded in the radius check table. So by convention the authentication should fail by rejecting the access request. So currently the implementation is not yet set in the database, meaning if you just have the client certificate and the CA file, regardless if let's say you don't have a registered username, you should be able to authenticate to the network. So I'm just going to make an update so that when the user is not found in the database, it's going to reject. So I'll just do the update. Okay. Authentication module, and when a user is not found in the database, it usually sets a flag of not found. So we just need to update the control and reject the current session because the user isn't registered on the system. So I'll just save it. Then I'm just going to restart the session. So right now if the same user attempts to log in, so for example this user does not exist on the system, so I can just, then when we join the network we should be able to see a not found flag, and then it's going to reject the user session. And yes, it has rejected. So we can try to scroll up. Then if you can see here the matching, it says if not found true, meaning that user was not found in the database. Then it just updated the control and rejected the session. So currently there's a pop-up, it says timed out while joining the Wi-Fi network, try again. So if we input a valid user who is registered, let's say user, we should be able to authenticate to the network. But also remember, the user certificate, you need to add it. So currently it's selected but it's not appearing, so just click join. So it's joining. So in the same logs you should be able to come across the matching of not found. So if a user is within the database, and as you can see we are connected to the network, so I could try locating where the matching was, and sure enough it's here. So since the user was found in the database, the logic matching resolved as false, so it did not reject the session.